Good afternoon, guys. This is Cameron with American Floor Scraping. Today we are going to put down an epoxy coating on this floor, so I'll show you what we got going on. So we've already taped up the edges for our epoxy coating, that way it doesn't get on the wall. We patched our cracks. This one had spider cracked pretty well, so we just wanted to make sure that no moisture or anything will get through the slab, and it wasn't trying to eat up a good amount of product that we have over here. So on this flake, we're going to throw a schist flake, so I'll show you inside the box. All right, I'll take the bag. So it's going to be our color. Going to put it in buckets real quick, just so when we get to the floor and put our coating down, we're not fighting ourselves and having to carry around a box with us. So put the tripod over here, that way majority of the time you can see what's going on. My brother here will be mixing. Dylan with Rise and Grind, he'll be here in a few, and I'll be here back rolling and cutting in, so stay tuned.
That?
It's up a leak on the ground. I don't know if that matters.
Does that matter? There you go. Wait, spin that up. Get that. Always spin your color first. In your hand.
We're going to keep mixing this product for a couple minutes. We'll throw our bees in, put on the tripod over here, and we'll back roll and start throwing flake. All right, guys, he's mixing product over here. Just spinning it up real quick, and get the cleats on, start laying out the product. I can get the tripod to sit flat. There we go.
All together.
What the hell's going on here? I have the wrong shoes on, that's why.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's what happens when you put one in the cage, they also go nuts.
Oh, of course. They can hear us. Yeah, you can. Flake, got it? Yeah. Flake, we're popping. Just go ahead and burn my other kit. That kit I brought.
And then next one, the rest is down.
Yeah. Actually, can I see it? Colors?
It should be out of control.
Just pour that one in. This one. Yeah. Get a match that way. Just because I have less of the kit than he has, because I burned mine today a little bit. I just had a little bit of porch touch up to do.
Almost dropped it like walking in there.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
There is a sprinkler head though, right underneath that downspout. Just be careful.
You're underwear?
Under that downspout, somewhere around there, there's a sprinkler head. Up against the house though.
You hit it? I'll beat you. Oh, I see.
Yeah. Now, Cameron, can you explain to me why you roll it too?
To make it even.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Otherwise, it doesn't self-level out.
Okay.
Not the exact millage. He lays out my millage, and then I'll back roll. So you see how these ridges here?
Hey, can we roll this crack one more time?
Yep, I'll roll that.
Just this guy.
Am I using both thighs or just the one?
Just the one.
You see I got lines right here, Wayne?
Yeah.
This will push the lines up, so when he goes to throw the flake right now, there won't be any misconception, so all the flake
Yeah.
sticks 100%.
I got you.
You did over here? Up here already?
Yes, sir. I just got cut in next to the wall over here. That
No, you're good, you're good. I was just making sure.
When you're done with that,
45 seconds for that. Yeah.
when you're done with that, can you throw more flake in the bucket, please?
As hot as it is out here, if you spin that for too long, it'll be set up, go get it on the ground.
The goner.
That shit's a delicate process, man.
MVB and water based are the only ones you want to spin for 2 to 3 minutes. Any polyaspartic is 45 seconds to a minute. Always spin your color in it first if it's clear though. Otherwise you will hate life, I'll hate life, and we'll be regrinding this whole floor. And I don't really want to do that. So, thank you, sir.
I'll take, no, I won't.
set over there. Oh, my product? Oh, I know.
I'm pushing yours out on my roller.
Yeah, mine's thin. Yeah. Mine might have been cut a little bit today too. I was trying to fix somebody else's mess up on quartz. It was great. Interesting. I was quite irritated today about that.
I'll get in another. You should wear 2 parts.
You roll all that out, get it. It's a thick. We might as well just use it up.
I don't know how you guys deal with that smell.
What smell?
Yeah, that's I
I don't smell it anymore.
honestly, I don't really smell it. We don't do this, though.
Just roll it around. Let it push it into some of those cracks and stuff, just like you did. Push it up a little bit, and I'll flake into it. Maybe swallow a little bit more flake.
Not pushing it, though.
Good. Don't roll it too far in like that. That's it. That's it. Just go light on it. Pick up light on your roller.
That's how I do it. You got a hump here too, which works out because I can feel the product out a little bit.
You good? Come your way. You're in my way. What was that?
We got a brake fight.
It's laying on my floor. You not sitting together that day like that? He's like, all I can hear is you telling me as I'm sitting there sweating to death.
Let me get that one out right here.
He's like, all I can hear the whole time we were working, you didn't say not one word, was, quit sliding on my floor! Yeah, you're right. Move, Cameron. Move! Flake! We get a little bit more flake out.
One bucket's good.
Make sure you cover this one. Put the light floor.
Now when I'm freaking sweating, that's all.
It's not even summertime, dog.
Oh, I know. My AC compressor out my truck.
Nice.
I got some right behind me. Bucket right behind you, Mitch.
I was curious how much this actually sticks.
A lot of it.
Really?
Yeah. It doesn't look like it, and you scrape up quite a bit, but as much as is going in there, you're gonna have a full covered flake.
Yeah.
But you'd much rather use than you more than it than not use it,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
it'd be light, and then you've got flake that's actually inside of it instead of sitting on top.
Yeah.
Because once you come back and straight, oh my bad. We do this every time.
So on 3,000 feet you saw, we threw a whole box of flake, I think, at each other. Half of
A little bit of
this
top.
spot right here.
Sinking.
She's already asked me about glitter.
Glitter?
Yeah.
No, but he was telling me about the glow in the dark.
No, glitter.
No, we ain't putting glitter in it.
Don't do
I'm
glitter.
just asking if you do because I've seen it.
She said she's seen glitter in it before.
It is. It's. What you're seeing is AI. It never comes out right. Never comes out right. Now, if you want to do like a metallic, but you wouldn't do that out here in the sun, and put some glitter look in it, then yes, 100%. That looks good. But doing it with flake never looks nice. It never sinks in with the flake into the flake, and if you go first and then flake, you see just little bitty pieces of it.
Yeah.
Because the flake covers it all. Because it's bigger than it is.
See any heat sinking right here?
But it's because there was a lot in there.
I'm just asking.
No, you're good. I think we got it. It looks like it's sitting on top. Up there around that door.
Yeah. I need 2 handfuls. Give me that box. Start the bucket.
Box is broken. I don't want to give it to you like that. God forbid.
Yeah, this color is perfect for out here.
Hey, right there in front of the window.
The color's good.
Yeah.
Right window, right side
Even
window,
matches your
about 2
patio
foot out.
chairs.
I know that. Well, that's kind of
Right
yeah.
there, yeah. One more just a little front. Yep, there you go. Got it. All right, you guys. Everybody grab a cot. We'll scrape it in about 3 hours. 4 hours. Looks great to me.
All right, guys, that's the flake. Mitch, Dylan, Benny. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the top coat. We'll be putting that on tomorrow once we scrape off this floor, the scraper we got over there, let this epoxy dry.